Hello and welcome to the European Market Recap. Risk aversion is the theme of trade so far today, so we are seeing lower across the European bourses so far in the session. We are being led lower by financials, particularly Barclays, who are seen as much as 8.5% lower on the day so far. This follows their LIBOR fixing scandal, which has been a centre of press for them over the past 2 days. Elsewhere, the EU summit does remain the focus for many investors, but we did have German government source comments earlier in the session just saying that they should not expect any firm conclusions out of the next 2-day meeting. This has prompted some flight to quality throughout the session so far today, with a stronger dollar index weighing down on commodities, as well as Eurodollar and cable, which are both in negative territory on the day. Another focus has been the Italian 5 and 10-year BTP auction, which did come in slightly softer on the 10-year line. As such, the Italian 10-year yield does remain elevated on the day, but the focus does remain on the Spanish yield, which has breached the 7% mark to the upside, with 5-year CDSs in Spain approaching the 600 level. In terms of data, we have had UK GDP come alongside in line on the quarterly reading, but the yearly reading revised downwards to minus 0.2%. However, this was relatively unreactive in the markets. So going ahead, we'll be focusing on any commentary from the EU summit, but we'd also have the US GDP and weekly jobs data. That's due at 1:30 London time. We'll bring you that as soon as it hits the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Have a great rest of the day.